Guys, welcome to my video. So guys, what happens to you if you declare bankruptcy in Canada? Now, I'm going to discuss in detail, so make sure you watch this till the end. So for many, bankruptcy sounds like the end of the world. Many people think once you declare bankruptcy, your life is over once forever. But the truth is, bankruptcy is not the end in Canada. However, it has some serious consequences that most people don't understand. Let's talk about what really happens when you declare bankruptcy in Canada. Bankruptcy is a process where you declare you cannot repay your debt. A licensed insolvency trustee handles your case, and your debts are either reduced or eliminated based on rules. But bankruptcy is not a free route or free escape. It comes with long term effects. What debts are included? Now, most unsecured debts are included: credit card debts, personal loans, paydays loan, line of credit, collection debts, but some debts are not included, such as child support payments, court fines, fraud-related debts, student loans if less than 7 year old in many cases. So bankruptcy does not erase everything. Okay. Now what happens is once you file the bankruptcy, collection agencies must stop calling you. Lawsuits and wage garnishments stop. Creditors cannot harass you. This is called like a stay of proceedings. This is one reason people feel relief immediately, but at the same time, your credit score drops badly. Bankruptcy appears on your credit report. You may lose access to certain banking products. Question comes, do you lose your home and car like your biggest asset? Now it depends. In Canada, bankruptcy rules depend on the provinces. If you have equity in your home or car above exemption limit, you may have to sell it or pay extra money to keep it. If your car is financed and payments are affordable, you may keep it. If your mortgage is up to date, you may keep your home. But if you have large equity, you may be forced to surrender. So bankruptcy is not always safe for homeowners. How long bankruptcy stays on report? For first time bankruptcy, it usually stays on your credit report for around 6 to 7 years after discharge, depending upon bureau and province. For second bankruptcy, it can stay much longer. During this time, getting mortgage, car financing or credit card approvals become difficult. You may still get credit cards, but they'll be secured credit cards with high fees. Okay. Now, does it impact your job? Many jobs don't care. They may think that it's personal. But if you work in banking, finance, accounting, security, government roles, bankruptcy can impact your career. Some employers do credit check, so bankruptcy can impact future job opportunities, growth, etc. Now I'm going to talk about some hidden truth nobody says. Bankruptcy is not always the best option. Sometimes a consumer proposal is better. A consumer proposal is a debt settlement where you pay part of debt monthly and avoid full bankruptcy. It still impacts credit, no doubt, but less damaging. Many Canadians declare bankruptcy too quickly without exploring consumer proposal. So bankruptcy may give you relief, short-term relief, but it also damages your credit, future prospects, and assets. So that's why, guys, be very careful and always discuss with a licensed an authorized person if you are going to do anything like this, so that you can really understand what you actually uh, have to do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.